What's up, everybody? My name is Weston Bing, and I'm going to show you guys the particle argon kit. So first, we're going to go ahead and unbox it, and I'll show you everything that comes in the box. First thing we got here, a bag of just some basic components. They give you like resistors and what looks like a couple of LEDs. Right now, we're not going to use those. This is the actual particle argon. It's got all these little prongs on the side. Right now it's in a little block of styrofoam. For this video, we're going to leave it in the block of styrofoam just because we don't need to take it out for any reason. In this main bag here, we should have a breadboard and a charger, or like a power cord for the argon. So this is the breadboard. We're not going to use that right now either, but it will be used for future experiments. Have a little charging cable we're going to go ahead and hook in right here. And then in this bag here, you want to be careful with this bag. It's got a Wi-Fi antenna. It's a 2.4 gigahertz, just a little Wi-Fi antenna. We're going to be using that. So if you're on your phone, you want to download the Particle app. So you just click on it and it'll see that you have no devices. You want to add a device. So for this particular kit, because it's argon, you want to hit the argon menu option, and it's going to tell you to scan the little data matrix here on your argon. So you just want to go ahead and hold your camera up and scan it. And then it's going to just give you step-by-step instructions. On the argon here, it's got these two little connectors. One, if you look closely, one says Bluetooth, the other one says Wi-Fi. We want to hook the Wi-Fi antenna up to the one that says Wi-Fi for obvious reasons. If I can actually do it. And then once we do that, you want to go ahead and hook it up to power. And you'll see it's blinking green really fast. This button on the left next to this green LED is a mode button. You want to press and hold that. And then if you press and hold it long enough, it's going to start blinking blue, and it's going to start blinking slowly. You want to mark the little check mark and then hit next. And what it's going to do right now is attempting to pair with the argon, which it did successfully. And then it's going to ask you if you want to use an in-mesh network, which you don't want to do. And then you can also skip device cloud access. You don't need to worry about that right now either. So right now the argon is going to be looking for Wi-Fi networks to join. You want to join this to 2 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. You don't want to join a 5 gigahertz. So you got to enter in the password. And then it should connect to the device cloud. There we go. And then once it's connected, I'll show you guys a couple basic functions that we can do, just lighten up a couple lights and things like that, just to show you, just how to tinker with it. So you also want to make sure you give your argon a name. I've already named mine. And then it's going to give you the option to set up another device. Right now we don't need to do that. So it says success. All you gotta do is click on your little device, and then this top menu, it says events, functions, variables, and tinker. We're gonna go over to tinker, and I'm gonna hit D7. It's gonna give me a couple options, digital write, and what that does is I can click on D7 and it lights up this little blue LED right here, right? And then if you wanna get out of the D7 like menu option, press and hold that, and then you can click on it again and go to like analog write, and that gives me a little slider, and that makes the that LED in the corner dim or really bright or whatever you want to do. And then if you really want, you can click on the bottom menu that shows your device. You can hit signal device, and it just lets you light up that middle LED a bunch of different colors. All right guys, thanks for watching. This is just a basic video on how to set up your particle argon kit. Thank you.